Hello, you're welcome to my kitchen. My name is Gina Silas. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. Today I'm going to be making stewed beans. All the ingredients I use in making this beans recipe will be in the description box. I made use of beans, tomato and Scotch bonnet peppers, onion, tomato paste, crayfish powder, bonga, seasoning cubes, salt and vegetable oil. I've already picked the beans, so I went ahead to wash and to cook the beans. I ensured to cook it when it's brought to a boil. I sieved the water to prevent chest burn. If you are being with me on this channel, whenever I cook beans, I always remove the first water after it has boiled. So here is me blending my pepper, tomato and onion. I made use of this my manual blender to get a very rough pepper mixture. I brought the beans to a boil, sieve it out, added extra water to properly cook the beans, added salt, onion. While the beans was cooking, I went ahead to fry my stew sauce for the cooking of the beans. I ensured to fry my tomato paste to remove the sour taste from the tomato paste. After this process, I added my blended pepper, tomato and onion mixture. Ensured to mix very well so that everything can be mixed properly. After allowing it to fry for some time, I went ahead to add my seasoning cube. I added the crayfish powder, I added salt for taste, and the deboned bonga fish. I mixed properly so that everything can be well combined. Allowed it to fry for some time before adding it to my already cooked beans. When the stew was ready, I poured the stew into the beans and I ensured to stir very well. I tasted to get the required taste. So if eventually you are cooking yours and it's not tasting well after adding the stew, you can adjust it by adding salt. I prepared the beans with fried plantain, so I went ahead to fry the plantain. Whenever you are frying plantain, ensure to add little salt to rub it so that after frying it can come out tasty, and ensure to flip the plantain to the other side so that everything can be evenly fried. Kindly share the video and give the video a thumbs up. If you want me to make any recipe, kindly leave it below in the comments. My stewed beans is ready. See the way it's looking, so beautiful. These beans came out so tasty, tasted so good. Thank you so much for watching the video. To my returning subscribers, thank you. To those that watch my videos and haven't subscribed, thank you so much. And if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell so that when I post new videos, you'll be aware I've posted a new video. Do not forget to like, comment and share the video with your friends and loved ones. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. Bye. And I will see you in my next one. Have a nice day.